reverse the ball. Look, if we're in a fish chase, okay, and let's say this is it. Yeah, a little bit of a mirror of yesterday. In the first half, we struggled a little bit coming out of the gates. And third quarter, we were a lot better. And then the fourth quarter, I feel like we got our offense together, and we played great defense the second half. Third and fourth quarter, I think we held them. They had 2 points in the fourth quarter to about the last couple seconds. So proud of that. Got a lot of people in and out. So again, our whole goal is to try to play together, learn each other, and I thought we accomplished a lot today.
I thought our team performed pretty well. We got back on defense, and we were trying to work on executing our offense, and I thought we did those pretty well.
I think we did really well today. We got a lot of new players, and this is a good time for us to bond with the freshmen and feel out our new styles that we have coming in. So I think we did really well.